We no want no tension bill between Jamaica and Guyana, you know. And me come to talk to Mackerel. Let me tell you something, Mackerel. You see, yo, he's a nice little girl, you know. Me don't know if you know that. But me I tell you this, he's a nice little girl. But me see you upon the app here, I behave one kind of way. We not nice. Because you and one or a few Guyanese have a problem. You cuss off the whole entire Guyana. That can't right, my little sister. Can't wrong and strong. That can't right none at all. Anybody say that right, something wrong with them. And we not support no folly around here. So you when me I say now, Mackerel. You see that vibration here? Knock it off. Knock it off, aya. And you see the people them over Guyana who came off a Mackerel and a warrior, you need to knock it off too. Knock it off, let it go right there, sir. And Mackerel, let it go right there, sir, too. Jamaica and Guyana should be one. One Caribbean, one people. No tension between Jamaica and Guyana. One love. Peace be upon you all. Me, Shocking Morris said that.